We've already revealed just about everything about the Google Pixel 9a. It's time to talk about pre-orders and shipping. Google will start pre-orders for Pixel 9a on March 19th. The devices will begin to ship on March 26th. Pixel 9a will also be available in stores starting on March 26th. Google Pixel 9a will start at $499 in the US for the 128GB model. The SIM slot, USB-C port, and speaker all located on the bottom. Pixel 9a come in 4 colorways: Obsidian, Porcelain, Iris, and Peony. Official Google cases for the Pixel 9a have leaked: black, white, purple, pink. Pixel 9a features a 6.1 inches 120Hz display. It is powered with a Tensor G4 processor, which provides top-class performance to the Google Pixel 9a. Equipped with an octa-core 3.1 GHz processor and paired with 8 GB of RAM, Pixel 9a featuring 50MP as the primary shooter, 13MP ultra-wide and a 32MP selfies camera. The Pixel 9a has got a 5100 mAh battery, the largest ever seen in a Pixel. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.